All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So some people can rest easy because the man known as KaKa is off the streets. Okay, this is a person who had disarmed a police officer, a JCF police officer, shot the JCF police officer, and escaped with the police officer's service pistol. What I want to know is this: was he recaptured with the service pistol, or did they recapture him or capture him and the service pistol is still missing? Because if the service pistol is still missing and he's not able to give account for it, then you already know that it's out there in circulation and could possibly be another murder weapon waiting to go into action right now. A little bit about KaKa though, behind the scenes. So I was looking at this article that was printed in the Gleaner like March 13th, sometime around then, and it says that scores of patients and medical personnel at the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew had to scamper for cover after a prisoner disarmed the police, shot the police before escaping from the premises. So apparently, the prisoner, whose real name is Ricardo Richards, also known as KaKa. KaKa means shit in other language, you know. KaKa also have people saying KaKa fart. But kuya, when you know, so one time we name people nickname in Jamaica, the nickname is there for a reason. And it can tell you a lot if you're in tune with the culture. Looking at this man though and judging from his looks, him not look too stable in the head to me, you know. But also, don't take a man simple and just think, say, him just a little mad boy where go. The man is obviously some kind of a gun expert slash somebody who is on go. Somebody who is not afraid to turn up the thing. Because it take a different kind of person to disarm a police. Someone would think about it if we're in that situation. But to go all the way out, disarm the officer, shoot the officer, escape, and then be captured in a guest house somewhere chilling. So the prisoner Ricardo Richards, also known as KaKa, he was in police custody awaiting trial on charges of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and shooting with intent. So KaKa is a real shooter, is a real shotter. Yes, he was on charges before, so naturally he hadn't been to court with a case that was proven he was guilty or anything. He was just waiting. But I can bet every last dollar I have right now that there's no way he was gonna walk away from those original charges. Apparently it look like same tell the people them say, my chest a hurt me. Me feel like me gonna have a heart attack in here. And them carry him gone at the chest hospital. He orchestrated his escape. Basically, premeditatedly orchestrated his escape and was bold enough to follow through every step of the plan. Me I take with the police gun, me I shoot the police and escape myself, which he did step 1, 2, and 3. A woman told the Gleaner that she witnessed the man and the police entering the hospital, and she said, I was sitting in the waiting area over by casualty. I really did see when the two policemen came in with a man in handcuffs. Two policemen, she said, came in with a man in handcuffs. He was wearing a marina. He's of slim build, a little shorter or on same height as both the policemen. Then I see everybody looking through the door and I heard screaming and started to look. And then I see the security trying to close the door and everybody screaming and saying, emergency, emergency. The incident caused a commotion at the hospital as persons ran for cover. The woman with whom the Gleaner spoke said that she dashed for the car park but returned to the building soon after the situation was brought under control. She described what it was like when she returned. And when she returned, she said, I saw quite a few doctors and nurses running with the policeman on a stretcher to an ambulance that came. Ambulance reached the quickie and they took him away. The other policeman was still there. I saw him pass with a tall gun in his hand. And then I saw an inspector and another policeman searching around, is what the lady said. So by this woman's account, allegedly an eyewitness, she said two police did have him. I don't think they would be transferring a prisoner, somebody who is already on dangerous charges, shooting with the intent and wounding and all these things. I don't think they would just send one police officer out with this man to transfer him, take him to any medical appointment. I think this would have to be 2 or more, and I hope that is what the JCF protocol is. If it's not, then it needs to be fixed immediately. But it kind of make JCF look bad, because if I did 2 on the one man, and then fire for that. But if I did 2 on the one man, and the one man was able to disarm one, shoot him, and get away, then I have to ask, where was the other officer while all this was happening? Because I'm sure your partner was screaming, back up, and you were not there to back him up. Not true? Wentworth Charles, chairman of Southeast Regional Authority, told the Gleaner that the injured cop, who is said to be from the West Kingston Police Division, was stabilized at the National Chest Hospital and then transferred to another facility. Meanwhile, several persons said that they saw the prisoner running away with the cop's service pistol in his hand. The police used canines and other resources to comb the hospital compound, dogs out and everything, sniffing and surrounding the area and search everything and everywhere. But Richards was nowhere in sight. KaKa make them say KaKa fought, and he was out like Usain Bolt on the 100-meter stretch. No, me have to laugh because this is serious. Looking at this brother though, let me ask the JCF something. Uno couldn't find a better picture to put up originally. There is no, me would have walked right past him out the road and not even recognize say it's him, because he had just escaped not too long ago. So I'm sure he could not have grown all that hair and look so different in such short period of time. Unless that here they have Velcro on or press on or something. You know, we live in a different world. Maybe he was trying to disguise, hide his identity, and then put on some fake hair. I don't know. But judging from the picture that I saw today at the front of the paper and that I saw on the Jamaica Constabulary Force Instagram page, it looks absolutely nothing like the man that they kept putting on the media saying this is who they're looking for. So enough time we probably walk past KaKa out the road and not even know say it's him. In other words then, next time, try make sure to get some up-to-date pictures. You understand? Alright, me glad say him get catch and he's off the road. Is a man will look like he will do this again. Him look like him really don't care about life. I remember, I know, when you make up your mind to disarm a police officer and shoot the officer, you kind of make up your mind for dead. Because what else are you expecting that is going to happen? Me sure them have him run there kill him with lick right now. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.